This function allows on-site accuracy verification by using Revo Metro and the MetroY Ultra scanner to scan a carbon fiber ball plate, obtain center-to-center data, and compare it with certified measurements. Once the scanner is connected, open Revo Metro and click New Project to access the scanning interface. Click Ball Plate Measurement, view the tips for measurement requirements, then click Got it. The ball plate measurement is performed via marker scan using the global marker tracking mode. Following the on-screen instructions, use the scanner to capture global markers for the ball plate. Before starting the global marker scan, adjust the scanning distance so the distance indicator bar shows excellent or good. Click Start or press the scanner's button. Move it steadily to create the ball plate's global markers. Check the total global markers count in the lower right to ensure complete capture. After finishing the global marker scan, click Complete and prepare to scan the ball plate's point cloud data. Select the cross lines mode and adjust the distance so the indicator shows excellent or good. Click Cloud Scan or press Start on the scanner. Move it at a steady speed to scan the ball plate from multiple angles, capturing the model data of the two balls as completely as possible. When scanning the ball plate sides, increase the distance between the scanner and the plate to ensure at least 5 markers are recognized in a single frame. After scanning, click Complete to enter post-processing, where the software will automatically complete point cloud fusion and ball plate measurement. After the calculation, the software will output the center-to-center distance. Next, enter the ball plate's certified measurement value, i.e., the reference value. Get the reference value by scanning the QR code or checking the label on the ball plate. Then, enter the value in the reference value input area. Afterward, the software automatically calculates the deviation and displays the accuracy analysis result. This video introduced the ball plate measurement function and demonstrated its use in cross-lines mode. Refer to the tutorial during actual use. More tutorials will follow. See you in the next video.